Hi guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F54 and let me show you how to reset all the settings. First of all, open the settings. Then enter General Management, go to Reset and mark Reset all settings at the top of the list. Confirm that you want to do it, draw your unlock pattern if you have one, and tap on Reset one more time. Just remember that this operation cannot be undone, so be sure that you want to do it. And as you can see, that's it. Just give it a couple more seconds to reset. After that, you will be able to customize and use your device in a normal way. And that's it. Now just unlock your device and use it smoothly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.